thought I'd take a quick video after the second coat, just in case I can't get another video. This is what our job's all about. Sorry for the loud fans, guys. Pick up these little transparencies here. NCAA court, FIBA court, solid keys, solid outline. 6.35, 6.75. You got your this is the second coat. So you just want to check it out, the second coat, and make sure it's good. This side's really quite good. The whole thing needs a screen cleaning up. Well, we'll have to do it. What do you think of that staining? Stain sure looks light. Oh, I love it. Really beautiful job, eh?